So, I know all of you have been waiting to see the Air Dior's unboxed on my channel, and trust me, I am desperately waiting myself to do it as well. But unfortunately, the shipments of the Air Dior's have been delayed worldwide, and hence the wait is getting longer. However, I have been promised to receive my pair before August, so let's hope for the best. Nevertheless, to compensate this anticipation, I got another hyped pair to unbox for you guys. These haven't been released yet, so we will unbox them, see how they look on feet, and maybe even talk about the release situation in India. So let's stop talking and start unboxing. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Here it is, the upcoming Off-White Air Jordan 4 sale. Now since the time they were confirmed and shown in one of Virgil's fashion shows, I was totally in love with them, and I am sort of a fan of beige tan color tones, and hence I've been waiting for these for the longest time, and the moment I saw these available as early pairs, I obviously jumped on the opportunity, and that's how they are here. I got them from this reseller called English Soul, based out of USA obviously. They majorly deal in extremely limited sneakers, but often also get some really hyped early pairs. So if this is your interest, then you can follow them on Instagram to stay updated. Now, let's take a closer look at these beauties, and then we shall talk about the release situation and see if you stand any chance to buy them in India or not. Originally previewed as a sample at Virgil Abloh's Figures of Speech exhibit at MCI Chicago, these come dressed in a sail, muslin, white and black color scheme. It has the signature deconstructed build that comes with familiar details including Air branding printed on the midsole, along with a cream zip tie and hang tag. Decked out in sort of translucent fixtures on the lace eyelets, tongue, upper netting and heel tag. Overall, it feels very premium and definitely up there in top 3, for me at least. As you all know, these come in women's sizing only, but has been extended to fit almost everyone. This one here is in women's size 8.5, which equals to a men's size 7, which is a UK 6, and that's my size. You get the similar box with circular cutouts like we recently saw with the Off-White Jordan 5s, and it comes wrapped in this Off-White branded plastic. Also included are 3 extra lace options, that is white, black and this sort of mint green or teal color, hints of which can also be seen in the outsole of the shoe as well. So talking about the release info, these were originally rumored to be very limited with only 25,000 pairs expected, but this took a turn few days back and they are now speculated to drop in more than double the quantity, that is around 56,000 pairs. This by way is also very limited for information. Either ways, this info is just a rumor and you can never actually know the quantity until after the release. People are contemplating for these to drop in high quantity only because they have been listed at way too many stores as a raffle, but in my opinion that does not signify anything. Off-White sneakers are mostly released worldwide on the whole, and hence it is listed at many more stores, which does not necessarily mean high quantity, as it can always drop in very limited numbers in each of those stores. And yes, they have been listed in Nike India sneakers platform. But hold on, don't get your hopes up just yet. Our sneaker section on the website is shared with all of Asia. Hence, it being listed there does not guarantee anything, but yes, it also does not mean that you don't try. To know more facts about Nike India sneakers, I'll suggest you first go and watch my video on it, and you will then know what I'm talking about. Resale on these are going to be great, like I mentioned in my sneaker investing video just recently, so go watch that too before asking me for resale predictions. Now before I end this video, let's go ahead and see how they look on feet. So that's all from me for today. Do not forget to like this video, and also let me know in the comments below what you feel about these. Until next week, peace.